Hello, welcome to um, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito mag-resonate sa lahat. Kasi hindi po ito personal reading, ano. So, kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And meron na siyang YouTube guys ha. Paki-subscribe na lang. Jing Tarot Reader, Pisces Palmist. Ayan, mga friend ko yan guys. Mababait po sila. Pwede mo silang i-follow or i-subscribe din. Okay, so this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Simulan na natin ang reading guys. Anong meron sa mga Earth sign? Anong meron sa mga Earth sign? Four of Pentacles. So, it is actually the opposite. Okay, this is the opposite card. The Tarot of Opposition. So, naka-reverse. Which is, for what I can see here, pwedeng you're losing something. Pwedeng hindi maganda yung sinasabi dito financially pagdating sa'yo. Nakakaranas ng problema sa pera. Medyo hindi maganda, no? And pwedeng unti-unting nauubos or naubos na at all. But you are still remaining as the Queen of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, maaaring hindi halata sa'yo yung mga problema na yan. Hindi nakikita or nahalata ng ibang tao. Knight of Cups, pwedeng kasalanan mo rin kung ba't nawala or naubos itong finances or career na ito. And yeah, the Four of Wands is here. So, medyo nagkakaranas ka ngayon ng difficulties, problema, lalo sa career, medyo mahirap, medyo masakit, at pwedeng meron ka kasi mga plano. But anyway, pwedeng hindi nag-work out masyado itong mga plano na ito. Anyway, tell me more for Earth sign. For Earth sign, please. Medyo pagpasensyahan mo na lang guys. Medyo maiksi lang yung mga daliri ko. Medyo mahirap po i-shuffle yung card. So, pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Medyo malaki kasi tong card na to eh. Ten of Swords is here. Followed by the Hermit. Yan. That is Virgo energy. That's a major arcana. And you do have here the Tower. So, Nine of Pentacles is here. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to end something. You need to end something. Especially pagdating sa kaugalian mo. Kung ikaw ito na medyo may kayabangan, I'm sorry to say, but that is how I read this. Kailangan mo baguhin yung ugali mo na yun. I mean, you need to focus on your home, on your house. You need to focus on things na kailangan mo pang i-develop. Might be kasi yung kayabangan mo na yon hindi natutuwa yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Or if there's someone na malapit sa'yo na nagiging mayabang, alam mo yan, pwedeng kailangan niya baguhin yung ugali niya na yun. You know? So, why? Bakit? Ang weird nung advice, no? The Fool is here. And the Six of Swords. Kasi wala namang patutunguhan yun eh. Yung kayabangan na yun. And at the same time, for some of you, pwede kasing nagkakos yun ng evil eye. You know what I mean? Kung hindi mo alam ang evil eye, bigyan kita ng konting explanation tungkol doon. An evil eye is yung mga masasamang tingin na ibinibigay sa'yo ng ibang tao. Na, you know, yung salip na hindi ka nila mapapansin, pwedeng mapapansin ka nila dahil nga sa pagyayabang mo. Tendency, pwedeng mag-cause ito ng inggit sa mga taong ito. Ngayon, dahil may inggit na sa kanila, maaaring may masabi sila or maisip sila na hindi maganda laban sa'yo. And ito ang pwedeng magdulot ng pagbagsak mo. Kasi yung evil eye, yung tingin na binibigay sa'yo ng ibang tao, para yung usog eh. Oo, pwedeng mausog ka, magdulot yun ng kamalasan, aksidente, pagkalugi, diba? Sakit, any kind of negative na pwedeng maibato sa'yo. Okay? Ngayon, paano ko kontrahin yun? All you have to do is, you should wear one of this. Yan. By the way, ipopromote ko na rin doon sa akin TikTok shop. Pwede kang makabili ng mga ganito. Bless and cleanse yan, guys. Kailangan mo lang bumili sa mga trusted sellers. And also, ayan, meron na rin ako sa Shopee. Tignan mo na lang yung details sa baba. Anyway, yun yung mga pangontra. Pero, mas maganda of course, as much as possible, wag ka na lang magpapansin. Kasi yung iba hindi naman maiwasan, you know. Halimbawa, pagdating sa negosyo, gumaganda ka sa negosyo mo, masama tingin sa'yo ng mga kapitbahay. Alam mo yon, and then magugulat ka na lang, bakit biglang pababa yung sales ko. Ganon, may ganon. Okay, kung hindi man ikaw mismo yung ma-evil eye, is pwedeng yung mismong place kung nasaan ka. Your home, you know, and yun yung nakikita natin dito. Okay? So, walang magbuting maidudulot sa'yo yung pagyayabang. Kasi yung iba, hindi ka naman dapat talaga papansinin, pero napapansin ka dahil sa ikaw na rin na nagpapapansin. You know? Yun yung advice for you. Now, you do over the Three of Pentacles. Nakikita natin na ang concentration mo is yung growth. You want growth. You want money growth. Of course, kasi hindi nga okay ngayon eh. Diba? Gusto mo magkaroon ng growth. Ngayon, may mga challenges with the Five of Wands. May mga challenges. Nakikita natin gusto mong mag-take ng risk, gusto mong magsimula, gusto mong magkaroon ng new beginnings. Maybe may mga bagay kang gustong itry, simulan. And tell me about this thing. The Two of Wands, kailangan ng tamang pagpaplano. Kailangan ng tamang pagpaplano. And with the Wands, it's all about action. So, kung gusto mo ng success for you, kailangan mong actionan. Mag-focus ka sa action. Nakita tayo ng success for you, pero pwedeng hindi ka maging satisfied dito sa mga success na ito. Sa ngayon. And, tell me more. You do have here the Fool. So, regarding dito sa bagay nito, sa ngayon, kung magte-take ka ng risk, medyo mahirap. So, wag na muna. Kung gusto mong mag-take ng risk, yung as much as possible, walang money na involved. You know? Pwedeng gusto mong mag-take ng risk, aralin mong mabuti, planuhin mong mabuti kung ano man ito. And you do have here the High Priestess. I want to clarify this. What's with the High Priestess? The High Priestess is clarified by the King of Swords. At saka hindi lang aralin at planuhin, but rather pakiramdaman kung ito bang something na sisimulan mo ay magbe-benefit ng maganda para sa'yo. Okay? So, medyo ito yung time kung kailan dapat huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Tell me about love for Earth sign, please. Messages for love for Earth sign. The Empress is here. Page of Swords. Two of Cups. The Chariot is at the bottom of the deck. 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, and the 3 of Swords. Medyo hindi rin maganda yung sinasabi sa love, guys. If you are in a relationship, nakakita tayo ng problema sa relationship, or maybe your person is disappointed. Nakakita tayo ng disappointment sa taong ito. Bakit? Kasi with the Empress, pwedeng nawawalan siya ng gana, or medyo hindi magandang tingin niya sa'yo ngayon. Although, I feel like tinatry niya. Like, pwedeng tinatry niyang mahalin ka or ipakita yung pagmamahal na yun, but ang daming kulang sa'yo, parang ganun. For now. Especially, nakikita natin number one issue is money. The Chariot is here. I feel like wala niyang choice. Hindi siya makaalis sa connection or sa relationship ninyo. But with the 3 of Cups and the 3 of Swords, for some of you, may another person na involved, which is naaalala pa rin niya. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng this person, hindi kanya ganun kamahal because of the other person na naaalala pa rin ng person na ito. Which is, in this case, pagdating sa love, pwedeng vice versa yan. And what will happen in the future for you, Earth sign? Seven of Wands is here. 3 of Cups. I'm seeing a friend na pwedeng bumalik magparamdam sa'yo in the near future. 3 of Swords is here. Yeah. For some of you, it's some kind of reconciliation. Pwedeng may mga ideas or may mga i-share itong taong ito sa'yo. I'm seeing a lot of actions in the future. Tell me about the Queen of Wands. 8 of Cups. Ayan, may mga advice sa'yo regarding the future. For some of you, it's a friend. For some of you, it's a lover. So, tell me about this. Ayan, the 6 of Cups is here. Ayan, this is a person in the past. I can see happy conversation sa isa't isa. 10 of Cups is here. Yeah, pwedeng kaibigan na tinuring mong pamilya or tinuring kang pamilya. Pwedeng alamin or pwedeng may mai-share siya or ituro siya sa'yo kung paano ka makakaalis sa isang sitwasyon or kung paano ka makakapagsimula. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles is here. It's a beautiful new beginning. And I feel like you need to trust this friend. Kailangan mong magtiwala sa kanya. You know? Kailangan mong makinig sa mga advice niya. You should listen carefully. You should listen. And kung ano man yung i-advise nitong person na ito, it's like a go. Ayan o, the Chariot is here, pero nasa magandang side siya. So, it's like, pwedeng yun yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng 10 of Pentacles, which is money. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all. Sa mga nakarelate dyan, nakuha mo yung advice para sa'yo. Sana mai-apply mo. And, hopefully, mag-comment kayo sa baba, ha? Kahit po heart-heart lang smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.